5 best brokers to invest in stocks in Australia. If you're based in Australia and looking to invest in stocks, the first step is crucial: choosing the right broker. It can make the difference between a smooth, rewarding experience or frustration, delays, and hidden fees. But with so many platforms available, how do you know which one is actually worth using? In this ranking, we're going to reveal the 5 best brokers to invest in stocks from Australia, chosen for their reliability, low fees, user satisfaction, and access to international markets. Each one offers something different, and the number 1 broker in this list is, sin duda, the one serious investors should not miss. Let's get started. Number 5. Superhero. Superhero is a homegrown Australian platform that's gained attention fast, and it's not just hype. This broker is specifically designed for Australians who want to invest in local and US stocks with minimal fees. What makes it stand out? Access to ASX listed shares and US markets, flat and transparent pricing, superannuation investment options regulated in Australia by ASIC. Users often mention how easy it is to get started, even if it's your first time investing. In the mobile app, it's smooth, modern, and clearly designed with the everyday investor in mind. It's a great first step into the investing world, but we're just getting started. Number 4. Stake. Stake is one of the most popular brokers among Australians investing in US stocks, and for good reason. It offers direct access to Wall Street with no commission on standard trades and an interface that feels like a breath of fresh air. Here's what users love about Stake: fast and commission-free trades on US shares, sleek mobile and web platforms, instant funding, and low FX fees. Regulated in Australia, Stake is particularly appealing to younger investors looking to buy fractional shares of companies like Apple, Tesla, or Amazon without having to commit to big amounts. And while it started focused on the US, it's now expanding into Aussie stocks too. But the next one goes even further. Number 3. Self-Wealth. Self-Wealth is a well-established Australian broker known for one thing above all: flat fees. Unlike many others, it doesn't charge based on trade size, which is a major plus for larger portfolios. Why is it in this ranking? Fixed, low-cost brokerage for all trades, access to ASX and US markets, simple, no-frills interface, regulated by ASIC and listed on the ASX. It's often described as reliable, predictable, and perfect for long-term investors who want full control without surprises. And many Australians use Self-Wealth as their main broker, combining stability with simplicity. Still, the next platform is far more advanced. Number 2. CMC Markets Invest. CMC Markets Invest is a powerful platform for those who want serious trading tools combined with cost-effective investing. It offers a broader range of features than most local brokers while staying easy to use. Here's what makes it a top choice: low brokerage on Aussie shares, real-time quotes and advanced charting, global market access including ETFs and options, strong reputation and regulation in Australia. It's often recommended by investors who want more insight and flexibility without paying premium fees. And despite all the features, CMC has done a great job keeping things user-friendly even for beginners. But if you're looking for global access, ultra-low costs, and the most complete platform available in Australia, nothing beats what's coming next. Number 1. Interactive Brokers. At the top of this ranking is Interactive Brokers, the most powerful and cost-efficient broker available in Australia today. And here's why so many Australian investors are making the switch: access to more than 150 global markets, ultra-low trading fees and margin rates, currency conversion at interbank rates, sophisticated tools for both beginners and professionals, regulated in Australia and globally. Whether you're trading US stocks, Australian ETFs, or international assets, Interactive Brokers gives you unmatched reach and precision. The IBKR Global Trader app is a standout, clean, responsive, and packed with insights. And despite the advanced options, many users are surprised at how intuitive it feels from day one. If you're investing seriously or planning to Interactive Brokers is the smartest choice you can make right now. Remember that you have the links to the brokers mentioned in the description and in the first pinned comment in the same order as in this video. And remember, this video is for information and opinion only. It is not financial advice. If you need support, always consult a qualified expert. If you found this ranking helpful, go ahead and tap the like button. And subscribe if you want more tools, strategies, and platforms that can help you invest with confidence. Don't forget to check the description. There you'll find recommended tools and services that can save you both time and money.